Give Polly a kiss. Besito. Mwah. Mwah. Kiss Polly. Give her a hug. Give Polly. Oh, nice boy. He's gonna ride her. What's he gonna do? Aw, be gentle. Be gentle. Good girl, Polly. She never in a million years would let him do this to her, except for that Polly has these cool new shoes on, and she's not really pleased about the shoes. Be nice, Polly. Oh, isn't that so sweet? Good girl.
Oh, she almost hit him.
Okay, Rowan.
Polly,
say bye-bye. Bye-bye.